Vision of modernization. Conflicting opinions of nationalists. The vision of modernization was different for different Vietnamese nationalists. Some believed their own traditions should be strengthened to resist the French domination, while some believed that Vietnamese should learn from French while opposing them. Due to these conflicting opinions, complex debates were happened which were never resolved. Phan Boi Chau, 1867 to 1940. The resistance of French domination is mainly led by Confucian scholar activists. Phan Boi Chau, an educated person in Confucian tradition, had formed Revolutionary Society Dui Tan Hoi in 1903 with Prince Quang Da as the head. From then, Phan became the major leader in anti-colonial resistance. He made Chinese revolutionary Liang Qichao in Yokohama in 1905. With Liang's influence and advice, he wrote a book, The History of the Loss of Vietnam. This book focused on two connected themes. First, they lose their authority of forming their own government. And second, breaking the bond between Vietnamese and Chinese that were bonded with shared culture. In his book, Phan showed the traditional passionate expressions of reformers. Phan Chu Trinh, 1871 to 1926. Phan Chu Trinh, one of those nationalists who were strongly opposite to ideas of Phan Boi Chau. He was influenced by the democratic ideals of West. He believed in establishing democratic republic in Vietnam instead of traditional monarchy or French colonialism. He liked the French revolutionary ideals of freedom, but he expressed dissatisfaction as they were not following it. He demanded legal and educational institutions and to develop agriculture and industries. Other ways of becoming modern. Japan and China. Japan and China were successful in resisting colonization by Western countries. Thus, they were role model for Vietnamese. Vietnamese nationalists developed close relationship with these countries. Gradually, China and Japan became shelter for Vietnamese nationalists, like revolutionaries of other countries. Go East Movement, 1907 to 1908. In 1907 to 1908, about 300 Vietnamese students went to Japan to get modern education. Their objective was to drive out French from Vietnam, displace the French-controlled empire, and re-establish the traditional Nguyen Empire. With the strong network of revolutionaries, they appealed Japanese and foreign revolutionaries to help them. Influenced with Japan's victory over Russia in 1907, Vietnamese students established a branch of Restoration Society in Tokyo. But after 1908, Japan Ministry of Interior stopped them from doing so. As a result, many students, including Fan Boyi-Chow, were forced to leave Japan and seek shelter in China and Thailand. Association for the Restoration of Vietnam, Vietnam Quan Phuc Huy. In China, Vietnamese students were inspired by the way a movement led by Sun Yat-sen displaced a long-established monarchy and formed a republic nation. These students formed Association for the Restoration of Vietnam. At this time, their objective was to change traditional empire and establish a democratic republic in Vietnam.